blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So what I am going to do for you guys today is a Leo inspired eye look. I know I've been procrastinating due to several different reasons, but it's okay because we're going to get started now. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of insight of what Leo's horoscopes are about. So Leo, they are the element of fire. Their colors are yellow, orange, and gold. Their day is Sunday. Their ruler or their planet ruler is the sun. Their overall best compatibility is Aquarius and Gemini. Lucky numbers are 1, 3, 10, and 19. And their date range, like if you're born within the Leo season, then your birthday will be July 23rd through August 22nd. So you guys, so here are the strengths of Leos. They are creative, they're passionate, generous, warmth-hearted, cheerful, and humorous. And then unfortunately, here are some of the weaknesses that Leos have are arrogant, stubborn, self-centered, lazy, and inflexible. What Leo likes? Leo likes theater, taking holidays, being admired, expensive things, bright colors, fun with friends. And what they apparently dislike is being ignored, facing difficult reality, not being treated like a king or a queen. So that is some kind of like, give me a little bit of an idea what a Leo sign is kind of about. And I am actually going to be creating this eye look based on their power colors. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick insight of their power color. So Leos actually have several power colors. One of their power colors is orange. Orange, there's nothing more head turning than the color orange, and the bold color is just what a Leo needs to feel at home. So that is kind of like why I'm going with the orange. Okay, so another color would be gold. Glistening gold empowers Leo's warm heart and strengthens its positive spirit. Shining with royalty and class, gold has always been a symbol of power and prestige. So it's no wonder Leo, the king of the jungle or queen, is stirred by an expensive hue. Gold gives Leo the attention it wants and supports its generous nature, warmth, optimistic outlook in life. And I love the color, these color schemes, you guys, yellow, gold, orange, they're so bright and welcoming and positive. And when I think of a happy color, the first color comes in my mind is yellow. So yes, for yellow. And let's go ahead and get started with this eye look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is with my P. Louise eye base. You guys know I always do the P. Louise eye base first. So put that on your eyes and be sure to blend it in with a brush or a beauty blender. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be using 2 of these palettes to create this look. First, I'm going to start off with the Kesha palette. And this color is actually going to be Boogie Feet, and it's that orange right in the corner right there. So we're going to start off with that color. And what I'm going to do is we're going to blend it right over the crease of our eye. You can start off in circular motions and work your way into the crease. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that orange color Boogie Feet blended in, I'm now going to go into my SpongeBob palette, and we are going to be dabbing into this yellow shade called Best Shade Ever. And what you're going to do is blend it right over the orange but on top. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that color best shade blended in, we're now going to go into this shade right here, and that is called Imagination. And what you're going to do is keep the center of the eye clean and put one dot right here and one dot on the inner corner of the eye, like that. And you're just going to blend these in circular. It's kind of like if you're packing it in or pressing down. So it doesn't take very much effort to kind of get that color in. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to take my P. Louise eye base and cut out the center of my crease. Now technically you don't have to do that. This is just basically to make the color that's going to be in the center of my eyelid to be more opaque. But if you, like, let's say didn't have time, you don't have to do that step if you didn't want to. So I'm just kind of looking down and placing it right in the center of my eyelid like that. And you can look up to get that little print on top. And you're going to kind of want to end up with a little square like that. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have cut the center of our lids with the P. Louise eye base, we're now going to take this gold color called Pineapple. And first you're going to pat it in dry. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, you should get something that looks like this. And then next, you're going to take that same color and spritz your brush and re-pat over it. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to take your makeup removing wipe and you're just going to clean up the edges of your eyes by swooping up like that, and do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so next I'm going to give myself a wing eyeliner. Okay, so now that I have the eyeliner put in, you guys, you are actually going to need glitter glue for your eye. Any glitter glue will work. And then I'm going to be using this Anastasia loose glitter glue in the color called Jolly, and that's more of like a yellowish color. Also, what you're going to be needing is a thin brush of some sort. Unless your glue applicator is very, very thin, then fantastic. But this one right here is very bulky, and this one right here is very thin. And what you're going to do is open up your glue, and you're going to dip it in. And then you are going to line the top of your eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to do. So you can't see it, but it's on, and then you're going to wait till it gets tacky. So do the other eye. Okay, so once the glue's on there getting tacky, next I'm going to take my loose glitter. You can pour some in the cap. That's normally what I do, like that, and I just pour it in the cap. And I'm going to dip my brush in here and gather up that glitter. And I'm going to put that over where I placed the glue and just kind of start spreading it like if I was drawing another wing eyeliner but with glitter. Okay, so this is kind of like what you should have. Now don't worry if you feel like you got any glitter on your black eyeliner, just re-go over it with your eyeliner. You will be okay. So what I'm going to do is do my eyelashes and the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you guys back with the final look. Okay, guys, so here is the final look for Leo season. I wish I could have done my hair different, you guys, but I am so short on time for today and I just really wanted to get this eye look out. So let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up on it. So here it is, you guys. That is my glitter liner eye look for the Leo season Zodiac. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below on what you thought about my inspired Leo Zodiac makeup look. And as always, please subscribe for all you Leo people out there. So if you are a Leo, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to be doing the rest of the Zodiacs, you guys. If you haven't noticed, I already did Cancer already. And then of course there's still more to come. And lastly, again, subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys all on the next one, okay? Bye!